Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers on EnglishClassLive.com. I have recently launched a website with the name to improve your English language skills www.english.com. It is a product of iqrasoft.com and in association with I have launched this new website. There are different courses available in this website. You can sign in, and if interested you can join in. There will be few live classes where and learn language skills which are presented in the website. So I welcome you all to my new website. It's also launch. So it is introduction message and intro video. I welcome you all to my EnglishClassLive.com. See you there. Bye.